Watch this.
When the Carter family moved into 14 Elmwood Drive, their neighbors smiled and waved. No one mentioned the previous owner. On their first night, Lily found a door at the end of the hall, left slightly open.
This horror story you just watched was created with this master prompt and the almighty Flova AI. And the shocking part of it is that there is no third-party platform used in creating this. I did all the creation and the editing inside Flova AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys on how you can actually create it for yourself and start posting it on YouTube and start making money. Like this is a particular channel that is making every month $9,900 every month, posting this type of horror story in their channel, and they are always monetized. Before we proceed to that, if today is your first time of visiting my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and pay more attention because there will be a color code giveaway in the video. So first thing you're going to do is to create your account on Flova AI, and this is the way the template looks like. I know fine boy, see fine boy here is there. So when you have created your account, it will be this way. So what you're going to do next is to start creating your stuff. But these are the features this platform has. So right here, you're going to see the image, audio, video, and text. This video part is where you're going to record yourself. If you wish to make your video more authentic, then you create what we call a technical animation story part, where you are going to be inside the story. I'm going to talk about that video. If you want to, comment in the comment section. So then other models you can actually see right here. There are different categories of model. You can actually see image part. You're going to see GPT image 2. You guys to see Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, Seed Dream 4.5, and Midjourney. In video part, you're going to see Seed Dream 2.0, Seed Dream 2.0 Fast, Midjourney, Happy Hour, Happy Hero, Clean 3.0 audio, like a lot of things. And in music and sound effects, you're going to see other platform, even in ElevenLabs for narrator. If you are using ElevenLabs, you can understand what I'm talking about, but I'm going to talk about that in this video. And also Minimax and Dobo. So these are the features you are going to see. In skill, you are going to see the skill part where you are going to see short narrator video, script to video, blah blah blah. Elements where you're going to see gun style and kung fu reaction elements. So now let me show you guys on how you can actually create this horror story we just see. So I'm not going to touch this because this as a particular platform can dictate that automatically. What I'm going to do is to go over to my Google Doc to get this as a prompt. I've used this prompt before on my former video where I narrate myself creating with different platforms, but right now we are going to use only this platform to get it to life. What I'm going to do now is to copy this from A to Z. If you need this prompt that I'm using, what you are going to simply do is to comment in the comment section, Josh master prompt in the comment section, and I'm going to send the prompt to you. So when I've copied that, I'm going to come over here and paste the exact prompts. So when I paste that, I don't need to type or select anything, but if you want to make your own the way you want, you can actually select the model. So I'm going to simply select generate, and this exact platform will take us to the name page where we are going to start generating and putting our stuff to life. So right here it will say here is 10 unique viral horror and dark documentary videos. So you can actually see the room that shouldn't exist and all. So what I'm going to do is to simply select the one I want. So I can simply select number 1 and then send that. So when I proceed with number 1, it will actually analyze that and then give us the next procedure. So the next thing it shows right here is this. It asks you how many minutes do you want your video to be. I'm going to simply select 1 minute. So when I select 1 minute, I got to select this. So right now it will start analyzing the video to be able to put it together as 1 minute. So right now it will say skill is ready. So let's wait for it. Guys, you can actually see right here that they have written the voice narrator and the scene by scene part and the voiceover and everything for me. So what I'm going to do now, it will ask me script confirm script and begin production. I can simply select that and then click on continue. Right here, you're going to see that it have started generating the storyboard and updating them for me. Guys, you can actually see right here that the storyboard have actually updated, and this is it right here. The element mark, the elements error, hallway and all. So now it's now saying media access generating. So they are generating the media assets for me in order. So guys, the media assets is now being generated, which you are going to see the exact particular mark. The Sarah girl is this, the Sarah girl, the hallway is this, the dining table, I guess middle room dining table is this. So it have actually generated that. If you confirm that it suits what you need, what you are going to now do is, how would you like to handle the narrator voice for your film? Generate voice using the narrator model, upload. So you can choose to upload your own voice inside there to be able to use it in the exact narrator, or you can simply use the exact model to do that. So I'm going to use the exact model to do that. So now it will actually use their exact ElevenLabs model to be able to create that. But if you want to use your own voice, you can actually select to use your own voice to upload it. So this is a different style you are going to see right away. So guys, you are going to see right here that the audio narration as asset is now being generated right now, and let it confirm it, then it will move to the next procedure. You are going to see that I have never pressed anything. I just send yes or no, and it will keep on doing until the video is ready. It's crazy. We are into another dimension. So guys, you are going to see right here, it says the full ready is now being generated, narration track generated. So right now we are going to move to the next. What would you like to do next? Generate the horror background music or skip it? So I'm going to actually generate that to put it there so that my video will be very authentic. So that's what make a video high quality production video. So it's now being putting that inside it. Let me see what happened. I think I have network issue. BGM and all 10 short video are independent to each other. So right now they then keep up to start putting all of them together. You're going to see right here that the exact horror sound effects and background sound is now being generated. This is it right here, and the case may be, and everything needed. So this is it. The narrator parts. This is the background music sound, and now is moving to add them together. So it have moved to the other part of generating all the shots 1 shot 2 shot 3 shot 4 to the exact shots needed for this 1 minute video. So you can actually see that everything is being done automatically by the AI. So guys, you are going to see that everything is now being generated, both the shots and all has been generated right now. So what it will ask you to do, everything look good. What's next? Assemble the final theme, or regenerate a specific shot, or replace the BEP or whatever track. So I'm going to do what? Click on assemble and then wait for it to assemble the video for me. Oh, this is a sweet too. So guys, you are going to see that everything is ready. It says timeline is ready and the production is being edited, CapCutted and flambeted. Let us play it to see what we did.
When Mark and Sarah bought the old house on Callaway Street, thought the hardest part would be the renovation. On the third day, Mark's hammer didn't bounce back. The wall was hollow. One swing, then another, until the plaster gave way. Behind the wall was a room that wasn't on any blueprint.
So this is what it's actually created, and you can simply do what? Click on export to export the video in your desktop, and while you have your video in yourself. So now let me compare the pricing. If I want to make this video in the old ways, how much will I spend? This is the pricing points for this exact particular video or this platform. You can get 22,600 credit for $16, 7,800 credit for $41, and 36,400 credits for $166. Okay, now let's go to the old ways. If I want to create this, I will first of all generate the story on ChatGPT, and this is the pricing point for ChatGPT. I either pay for 7,000 naira or pay for 31,000 or pay for 140 something thousand for just creating the story. Then I move to the voiceover, and this is what ElevenLabs is actually charging me, but I can actually access ElevenLabs in that platform. You can actually see the differences. And if I want to also generate the framework, I had to go over to Flow or Gemini to generate the image, and this is what Gemini is charging and all. So if you calculate all these things together to be able to get this type of video every month, you are going to be charging nothing less than $200 to $100 altogether to be able to use the traditional way to create it. So why not use Flova AI to be able to create this type of videos for yourself instantly and get the maximum results for yourself?